National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:26 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rosemont to Northlake to Elmhurst to Glen Ellen, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, cladding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont Cragen, Westchester, Dunning, West Town, Glendale Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Run, Marionette Park, Bellwood, Brooklyn, Summit, Austin, West Mansfield Park, Hillside, near North Side, Oak Grove Terrace, Northlake, Stickney, York Center, Logan Square, Westmont, Lower West Side, Avalon Park, and Rosemont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Alright.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport.